They say YouTube can change your life, give you financial freedom, or even make you quit your 9 to 5 job. They make it sound so easy, so I tried it for 60 days. In this video, I will break down everything from the process, the ups and the downs, and trust me, the result might not be what you think. But first, what is YouTube automation or faceless YouTube channel or YouTube CashCow? YouTube automation means using software or tools to help manage or run your channel automatically without necessarily showing your face. So after knowing this, the next important step is choosing a niche. So I did some research, watched videos, and I had 4 main evergreen niches. Evergreen here simply means videos created within any of these niches will always be relevant over time. That means if you create a video today, after 10 years, the video will still be relevant, because there's also what is known as trendy niche, meaning content here goes viral but is no more relevant after some time. So I decided to choose evergreen niche. And the 4 main niches are health, finance, relationship, and technology. Then from these 4 main niches, I choose to go with finance niche. So after choosing a niche, I had to choose the tools I will be using, which I will share now. ChatGPT for script writing, ChatGPT for AI voice, VideoScribe for doing the whiteboard videos like the one you are watching now, Canva for creating the thumbnails. So when I started posting, I did not just start by posting a single video. I did 2 videos which are interrelated and posted within few days intervals. I had read about this strategy somewhere, and the idea here is that if one video pick attraction, it will feed the other videos with views, and if the algorithm sees that people are binge watching your videos, it will promote it further. But did any of my video blow up? No, just on few views. After the first 2 weeks of posting on this channel, here was my statistic. I had posted 4 videos, gotten 211 views, 9.6 hour watch time, and 6 subscribers. At this point, I was very disappointed. I thought about giving up. The truth is, these videos take very long time to create, but these results got me very demotivated. I thought of quitting, but I remembered why I started in the first place. And before starting, I knew that this was not going to be easy. So I was not looking at any short-term success. And these 6 people that subscribed, I had to use it to motivate myself a little. I knew I was doing something right for 6 people to take their time and subscribe. What got me really motivated again is this. This is called audience retention, for those who don't know. I read somewhere, I don't know how true this is, that a video will be considered not good by the algorithm if the first 30 seconds has audience retention of less than 30%. That is when you see some videos with such steep curve like this. What is your take on this point? Share your ideas below. So when I saw such good retention on my videos, I was really motivated. I knew people were watching my videos to the end. As I continued posting, I was now learning about thumbnail design, click-through rate, and how to write good titles. I saw people suggesting VidIQ. I wanted something free, so I decided to use ChatGPT for this. Comment down below, what is your opinion about VidIQ in YouTube success? I will share about what I have learned so far. But first, here's my statistics after 60 days. After 60 days, I had 2,000 plus views after uploading 13 videos and had a watch time of 104 hours and 53 subscribers. This is not very crazy, but I'm very proud of it. As I know 53 people have subscribed, it shows that I'm doing something good that made them to subscribe, and they are watching my videos to the end. So I am very proud of these results. I will share my ideas on how I'm planning to increase these numbers next. But for now, let me talk about what I have learned or my advice to you who want to start after trying this YouTube automation for 60 days. First, it's not easy. They make it sound so easy, but it's not. I know some people might be lucky to get monetized within this period, but it's not easy. Second, you need to be motivated and disciplined. If you are not, and what you are just chasing is quick success, you will give up very early, because there are times that you will do research, take hours or even days to create a video, but when you finally post it, you will get no views. Yes, it is very discouraging, but just keep posting. I want you to look at this process like a marathon and not a sprint. So just make the next video better than the last one. My third advice for you is just start. You don't need to be the best before starting. Just start. Experience comes with longevity. So stop procrastinating and start now. In this channel, I will be helping you start by sharing my little process and things I'm learning with you. Maybe it can motivate you. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it. So here's what I'm planning to do to monetize this channel fast. But first, here's a warning. I know if I post shorts, I will get subscribers fast. But I have had a very bad experience about mixing shorts and long form videos in the same channel. So I don't want to create any short on this channel. What is your opinion about mixing shorts and long form videos in one channel? Comment down below. So here's how I'm planning to get my videos and channel blow up. As you can see, I am getting recommendation from videos in my niche. That is a good thing, but most of these videos recommending my videos are done using the same editing style, which is the whiteboard animation style. So if people from this channel come to my channel, I think they might be thinking that, why would I subscribe here? Meanwhile, I have already subscribed to other channels of the same video style. I know some of you might not agree with this idea, but if I can have just a talking head video channel in my niche recommending my videos, I know my channel would blow up, because these whiteboard animation video style are very engaging to watch. So that is my plan, to get talking head videos in my niche to recommend my videos.